Hello, friends. Thank you for tuning in for this new video with Trading with Flores. Today is Thursday, August 26th. And back in the day, I was doing videos on Wednesday, but now I started doing more on Thursdays. I want to welcome new subscribers into the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Hopefully that it's my helping your trading. Okay, I am using this simplicity indicator right here with the too easy also. Okay, although in the late 2-3 weeks I have not been using the strength indicator because I'm going more like swing trade style because on my job I had to start driving early now into my job very early here in California, and normally the 30-minute strategy, it's a good strategy for the mornings, especially after London. So for that case I have to start doing some swing, I would say medium term swing trading. Okay, so it requires more patience because it takes longer time to see the pips, but at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you can get the same amount of pips or sometimes even more pips, okay, than doing it the 30-minute strategy. So the last video I was sharing how I do my analysis most of the time in TradingView, and I am using Simplicity as an entry, for timing and everything. I can do trading, just with the 50 and some momentum indicators, but this is a nice indicator. That's the reason I use it pretty much. It's a good timing indicator. Let me give an example. Well, right now I'm in a Euro USD trade, and I got like 32 pips, and at one point it was like 60 pips up here. But right now I'm doing a pullback, and I'm trying to train myself to be disciplined also and let it run as far as it's pretty much it could run, if it's gonna run more or something. If I look at the daily, I'm not trying to hit that 50 in the daily pretty much. That's why I'm gonna let it run all the way to that point. Right at that point right there, which will be around 73 pips to that high, if it gets there. Okay, so, and I am also in the NCD CHF at this point, and as you can see on the daily, it's hitting that 50 EMA, so I might do a pullback right there. So I'm thinking to maybe closing that trade. My account, this account is it's a small account, so 50 pips is a good trade. So I'm gonna close that trade. Let me check something. I'm still debating sometimes when I see money to close them or not. Not a whole lot of money, but I'm trying to train myself pretty much, like I said, to let trades run, as far as they're gonna run. Because in the 4 hour, as you can see, we got the triple arrow. Okay. I'm not gonna close it. Yeah, I still need to do my analysis on TradingView. Okay, so I'm gonna try to let it run for a little bit more. On the weekend, I'll let you know if I close it or not, or if I decided to let it run based on my analysis on TradingView. Okay. So those are good trades. I'm also in the Outcat right now. It's right at the line. Right now it's not negative or positive, but I'm planning to let that one run as long as I can. The reason for that is because, let me show you the weekly here. I'm basing this trade. It's obviously a trade that I'm basing it in this support right here to the left. Okay. that support right there, and it's reacting already. So I'm hoping that that trade, if it starts working out, it'll probably go to the 50 right there, and that's about, how many pips is that? I'm not sure. It's not even that many pips, like 50 pips. The weekly, it looks farther. How many pips in the weekly to the 50? Yeah, it's like 300. Yeah, it's a lot more. So, still gonna analyze everything on the AuCat, but I'm planning to let it run for now. Okay. I'm training myself, you know, to let the trades just run, do what they have to do. One strategy that I do put is that once I'm ahead like this one in the trade, I put my stop loss break even. That why it's a free trade. You know, I don't. At that point, I'm not gonna worry if it wins or if it loses, because I'm not gonna lose any money at that point. That's why we call it a free trade. Okay, once you get like 30, 40 pips, it's a good time to move your stop loss to break even. Okay, so pretty much what I'm waiting for right now, pretty much in the and other pairs. Let me show you my analysis in Trading View real quick. Let me go to Trading View right here. Okay. Okay. All right. I had a lot of subscriptions during the years in trading. I subscribed to a lot of channels, and they're still showing up. Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking pretty much in my clean analysis. Pretty much this Euro USD. As a matter of fact, I enter the trade around base on this support right there. Okay. Now I draw a small channel right there, and I'm kind of trying to go to that channel, to the top of that channel at least. Okay, that's what I'm shooting for Euro USD. AUD USD, it's what I'm waiting for in this one, to be honest, is for this move to go to that zone right there, and then I'm gonna look for a continuation of the trend to a move down, pretty much, to the next zone, pretty much. I am trying to do that. If I can catch that, that will be at least, let's see, that's more than 500 pips, but that will take a long time, at least 2 or 3 months, and I don't know if I'm capable of doing that. Okay, if you ask me if that trade has room to go down, absolutely, it has a lot of room to go down. Okay, that's an AUD USD. So pretty much what I do, as I told you in the beginning, I use simplicity as just as an entry in timing. Okay, if I go to simplicity now on the, that was the AUD USD that I was looking at right there. Okay, so I'm pretty much, let's see, let's go to daily right there. That's the daily. 1 second. So yeah, I really believe that our USD has a chance to go to this area over here, or either to that area, and I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. It's already showing the 1 hour, but I don't trust it too much. I really think this can still go one more high, okay, to go and visit this zone right there. Okay, so we'll see. Already has triple arrow right there. He can work, you know, but we'll see what happens. If I go to the 4 hour, yeah, that's a pullback, but I'm really used to 3 moves, 1, 2, 3, and then so make the pullbacks a little bit larger than that. Okay, so I want to say don't enter that, but you know it's not even in a zone, so that's my point right there. I will wait more, you know, for that one. And if that one starts going down and it breaks this support right there, we'll wait for a confirmation. So that's an example right there. So that's pretty much what we're waiting for. Odd USD, USD JPY. I'm leaving that one alone for now because, you know, it's very sideways, it's very choppy, so I don't do it. NCD USD. On NCD USD, it's above that little zone right there. So if I go to the 1 hour right there, and if I see a double bottom right here or something like that, then I will go to a triple arrows and look for an entry. Same way. GBP USD. On GBP USD, I'm gonna look at the daily to tell you what we're waiting. On the daily, we're in a downtrend, but that's like a pullback right there. I'm really waiting for this to move. Maybe it can start going down from there. That's from the zone, exactly, as a matter of fact. And it gives you a nice candle right there. That's a sell candle. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. You see that double top? You can barely see it there in the 30 minutes right there. That's a double top right there on M. That's an M right there in the 30 minutes. I think that happened today. Let's look this trade into simplicity in the 30 minute today. GPUSD. 30 minutes. There he goes. That's a trader in 30 minutes, still driving down. Okay, friends, so I just want to do this short video and the weekend. I'm gonna do my analysis and pick 2 or 3 setups in the daily zones, and give you some alerts. And please, when you trade, you're trading at your own responsibility. Use risk reward rules. Don't lose your account. That's your play money. Okay, well, thank you very much for looking at this few minute videos. Here's Saturday and Sunday. You're gonna look at longer videos so we can look at more pairs, and if we can find any possibilities for next week. God bless you all. See you guys pretty soon.